Ever scrolled past a post? Not because it was wrong, but because it didn't resonate? That's what most business content gets wrong. In this lesson, we'll explore a simple but powerful writing framework to help your content stand out by building an emotional connection with your audience. When people read something, a caption, blog, or landing page, they don't respond logically first. They feel something. Emotion is the entry point. That moment of emotional recognition is what stops the scroll and grabs attention. In Descartes' Error, neuroscientist Antonio Damasio explains that people who lose access to emotion also lose the ability to make decisions. They can list pros and cons, but can't choose. Why? Because emotion drives action. So if your post doesn't spark emotion, logic alone won't make readers care. That's why we use a 4-part framework to structure content that connects. Emotion. Start with how your reader feels. Problem. Name the specific issue they face. Solution. Share your way forward. CTA. Tell them what to do next. Let's break it down. Start with emotion. Don't lead with features or stats. Lead with a feeling. Ask, what's bothering your audience? What are they anxious about? What are they hoping for? A simple example, feeling overwhelmed by your endless to-do list? That one line does a lot. It names an emotional state in plain language. No jargon, no overthinking, just connection. When you begin this way, your audience feels seen. They trust you more. And that makes them far more likely to listen to what comes next. In the next part, we'll walk through the remaining steps, problem, solution, and CTA, and break down a full example together.